This is room 103 at the Santee, South Carolina Hampton Inn, and it is a pet-friendly room. It's 2 queen beds. When you walk in, there is this tiled section, full-length mirror. To the left here, there's like a little microwave, coffee station, and refrigerator. Coming in the bathroom, got like the pretty typical Hampton setup. I understand these little bottles from the standpoint of like less waste, but I feel like anyone can just put things in them, and that's weird to me, so I don't use those. Lots of towels. Have the hairdryer hanging up. Big shower. Same thing. The little bottles, it's just, I feel like unless they lock, like that's just, you're asking someone to like put Nair in them or something. So that's weird for me. All right, oh, hey Frank. Coming back out here, we've got hooks on the wall here, a closet, extra blanket, iron, and an ironing board, and then a suitcase holder. We've got this little area to put your bags or a bench or whatever. Then TV, lots of drawers, a desk here with a lot of outlets. And then I'm on the first floor, so I'm looking at the parking lot. Not very exciting. Fairfield Inn is over there. Not even gonna open the window. Got 2 chairs, a little side table here, and then two queen beds. There are more outlets right here on the side. No top sheet at the Hampton Inn, but the bed does have outlets right next to it in the center here, and then an alarm clock and phone, and both beds here. So that is the Hampton Inn in Santee, and Frankie seems to be pretty happy.